Hello guys, welcome back. The episode 17 of Thundermans Undercover introduces us to a new character, Penny, who is Captain Perfect's sister and aims to be a supervillain, which worries Captain Perfect. He tells this problem to the trio Thundermans, and they agree to help with Max having the experience of doing the same thing when he was young, and he would most likely be able to talk Penny out of the evil dream. Captain Perfect agrees with the plan, so lets Penny hang out with Max for a day. To replace Max at the school, Phoebe becomes a substitute teacher for Chloe and the students in the class. It becomes difficult indeed for Max to convince Penny for being a villain is not a good idea, as Penny seems to be a perfect villain, which is according to Captain Colloso. We learn that she has a brilliant mind to become one and has many evil plans. Ultimately, to take over the world, Max tries to woo Penny, becoming a superhero by taking her to secret air lair, showing her interesting gadgets which comes with being a superhero, until Thunderford appears and tells them about the interview for henchman which is happening for supervillain activities, which prompt Penny to rush for it, getting Max out of the way in the process by using his own gadget to make his butt stuck to the sofa. Max and Captain Colosso plans a disguise for Max as he goes to the henchman interview. In the interview, both Max and Penny get the part of the henchman and gets a mission to destroy the splat by the sea. When they reach the place before destroying the splat by the sea, Max succeeds in convincing it's not a good idea to be a supervillain just because one is annoyed with his or her sibling. The villains who were the interviewers come to know Max is a superhero, so they put an evil chip, which we'll come to know in the next episode what Max will become because of this mastermind's evil chip. In the other scene, we have Phoebe doing well with the classes as a substitute teacher, and she comes to know there's a dance event where one has to propose a partner for the dance. Chloe wants to dance with Byron Chance, which makes Phoebe make a plan. The plan fails as Byron Chance, dressed awkwardly in a hard dress, falls on the stage while proposing, which makes Phoebe apologize to Chloe. To make up for that, Phoebe invites Byron Chance to their house, so Byron and Chloe both agree to go to the dance together without any big proposal event.